Great opportunity to visit Italy free of cost. Yes, you heard it right. If you are educated and want to do a bachelor's, master's, training course, language course, or apart from this a PhD in Italy, then grants have been announced by the Italian government. There are chances of submitting an online application till 16 May, after which grants will be provided to you. So you guys can get an education in Italy free of cost through scholarships. There are different requirements for this which I will tell you individually. Here you can see that this is the official portal in the name of study in Italy, and here you can see the tag call for applications. When you click here, you will get more information. Grants were awarded by the Italian government for the 2025 to 2026 session. First of all, you can see the list of eligible countries. Here, apart from Afghanistan, there is Bangladesh, and most importantly, if you are applying from Pakistan, then it is included in the list of eligible countries. Secondly, if you click on the link for further information, you can see all the information about the call for applications 2025 to 2026 by clicking here. Here grants are being announced by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the International Corporation MAECI for international students, and this is possible only through on-site attendance. That means you will have to go to Italy and study for it. Here you can see more information. If you want to pursue a master's degree, acquire higher education, go for a PhD program. Apart from that, if you to go for a research program or take Italian language course, information is available for all of that. You can also go for an even bachelor's degree. There are different study requirements for different courses, which are decided by each university as per its requirement. But you have to keep the age requirement aspect in mind. For a bachelor's degree, age should not be more than 23 years. Apart from this, the age for the master's program should not be more than 28 years. The maximum age requirement for the PhD program is 30 years. Apart from this, the maximum age limit for research programs have been kept at 40 years. Taking about language proficiency, if you want to study course taught in Italian, then you should have a B2 level according to CFR. And if you have English taught programs, then the minimum level should be B2. B and B to almost 6.0 are produced in English according to the Common European Framework of Reference. If you want to study the Italian language, then you should already have a 2 level. Apart from this, no proof is required for PhD programs. For language proficiency, you can see its details here. Friends, this is the main part to apply for this program. You will first create your account here by clicking on the register above. Only after that, you can guys apply. If you want more information related to university course, then you can check here. There is a website by the name of University of Italy, IT. Here you can search of courses in universities that are affiliated and participating in this program. Friends, all these programs are free of cost. No fees will be charged for you for these. What this means is that if you get a successful admission in these programs, then you can complete your degree, PhD, language courses and training or research from there free of course. This is a golden chance for you to apply. But remember, the dates are very short and the last date, as I told you earlier, is 16 May. If you delay, then you will not be eligible for this program. And the most important thing is that all the details are given here. You should study them thoroughly. Your eligible requirements must be fulfilled. Otherwise, your application will disapproved and rejected. Read all the details here. I will give you the link in the description below. By clicking, you can access all the portals. After applying, please express your opinion in the comment box below, whether you want to avail if this free of cost option or not, and also whether you guys are eligible for these programs or not. Take care of yourself. Till the next time, Allah Hafiz.